Chapter 10. The Adjutant Bird, a Traditional Tale. Retold by Amabel Williams Ellis. Part A. Questions and Answers. 1. What was the adjutant bird doing at the start of the story? Answer. The adjutant bird was sleeping at the start of the story. 2. What did the monkeys do to the adjutant bird? Answer. The monkeys pulled out all the feathers of the adjutant bird to amuse themselves. 3. What made the tortoise want to help the adjutant bird? Answer. The monkeys had troubled the tortoise in the past, and he wanted to teach them a lesson. 4. What would have happened to the adjutant bird if his wife had not been there to look after him? Answer. The adjutant bird would have died if his wife had not been there to look after him. 5. What was Boobog's plan to get back at the monkeys? Boobog's plan was to get the monkeys into a boat that had a hole in it, then sink the boat. He also planned to have the monkeys tie their tails together so that when the boat sank, they would not be able to swim away. 6. What were the results of Boobog's plan? Ans. His plan worked. The monkeys were frightened and miserable when the boat began to sink. Because their tails were tied, they had a very hard time swimming. After this incident, they never played tricks on or bothered the other animals again. B. Reference to context. Read the lines and answer. 1. Using the line, his feelings had been very much hurt. A. Who is being described here? Ans. The adjutant bird. B. What had been done that had hurt his feelings? Ans. The monkeys had pulled out his feathers while he was asleep and then laughed at him. B. Reference to context. Read the lines and answer. 1. Using the line, his feelings had been very much hurt. C. What did he want to do to those who had hurt his feelings? Ans. He wanted to teach them a lesson and make sure they would not trouble him, or others, again. 2. Line. So they had a dreadful time of it. A. Who is being described here? Ans. The 9 monkeys. B. What had happened to them? Ans. They were in a boat that had a hole, and their tails were tied together. Because of this, when the water rushed in, the boat began to sink, and they could not swim properly. They had a dreadful time. 2. Line. So they had a dreadful time of it. C. What did the adjutant bird say after this? Ans. He shouted, "Now, you horrible monkeys, see what you get for pulling out my feathers and laughing." C. Words or meaning. Correct the mistakes in the following. 1. The adjutant bird stretched his wings as if to fly off but found that he could not do so. Ans. The adjutant bird stretched his wings as if to fly off but found that he could not do so. C. Words or meaning. 2. I'll swim off too. Correct ans. I'll swim off too. 3. The monkeys tied their tails together and sat just as he said. Correct ans. The monkeys tied their tails together and sat just as he said. 4. Yes, I hear you, answered Boobog. Correct ans. Yes, I hear you, answered Boobog. 5. What you must do is to find a boat with a hole in it. Correct ans. What you must do is to find a boat with a hole in it. 6. Presently the boat drifted out from the river into the sea and the waves began to rock her. Correct ans. Presently the boat drifted out from the river into the sea and the waves began to rock her. 2. What is the difference between the following? A. Monkey, ape, lemur, chimpanzee. Monkey, a small to medium-sized primate, often with a long tail. Ape, a large primate that does not have a tail. Lemur, a tree-dwelling primate, usually with a long tail and pointed snout. Chimpanzee, a large primate, an ape, mainly black in color, very intelligent. What is the difference between the following? Laugh to make a sound when something is funny. Chuckle to laugh quietly. Giggle to laugh in a light, silly, high-pitched way. Guffaw to laugh very loudly. Please like, share, subscribe for more such videos.